Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So I popped down to Golden, Colorado to pay these gentlemen a visit over at RSG Metal Works. So you guys know I have purchased a few rock sliders from them in the past, put them on my Tacoma TRD Pro as well as my Forerunner TRD Pros previously. And I love the product. They make fantastic product. Really just want to show you their warehouse here and most importantly show you the great stock that they have, or the great inventory that they have currently. So if you have been on the fence of purchasing a set of rock sliders for your Forerunner, or even your Tundra, they got some Tundra ones stocked over here as well, or your Tacoma, why not do it now? You definitely got plenty here. You don't have to wait several months to actually get it. Sometimes that could be the biggest pitfall of buying a set of rock sliders. But most importantly, these gentlemen are awesome enough to offer you guys a little bit of a discount with my discount code Untamed. So if you use Untamed on your checkout, or excuse me, Untamed 100 on your checkout, you'll save $100 on your set. Most importantly though, they are now offering free shipping. So not only are you going to get $100 off, you're going to get free shipping as well. So no wait, $100 off and free shipping. I think it sounds like a win-win. So you guys know I believe in the product. I've purchased it a few times. It's not just me touting for no reason. They definitely do a great job. So let me know what your thoughts are. Appreciate you watching as always. Till next time.